Hello everyone, welcome to another video on EAFC 24. In today's video, I will show you how to change practice arena, player and a team as well in EAFC 24. So first of all, obviously, if you want more videos just like this, you can comment down below on what videos you want to see next and we will cover those videos. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy. So as you can see, if you want to train with a specific player or football team in the practice arena, you'll first need to set the team as your favorite. So for example, here, as you can see, if you go to settings and then profile in profile manager, you can go here and select your favorite team. For example, right here, you can see this team is from Saudi Arabia and you can go here and click on Al Ittihad right here. For instance, if you want to be Ronaldo, right, you need to choose the team that he plays for. Right here is the team. And in this case, you'll want to choose Al Nassr right here. And basically from there, you need to, basically go to main menu and select learn to play. And from the menu, you'll want to select practice arena to start practicing, which is right here. And from there you can go to training center, and from training center you can basically go and start training with that particular team and that particular player in the arena. Now obviously, if you want to change to your favorite athlete, you will need to send the current player that you're playing with to the bench and move your player, our favorite player, to the lineup. Now after that, you'll be able to play and practice as a chosen character. So that's basically how to do it in EAFC 24 and how to change practice arena, player and team. It's very simple. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.